Okay, this is a Residensi Warnasari Dual LV room. Okay, today we are going to test run the genset remotely from the ATS panel. Okay, currently we have the main supply available. The genset is stopped. Change over at the TMB side, not on the genset side. So we are going to test the genset running from this ATS panel remotely without going into the genset room. Okay. So now main supply available, genset is stopped. Okay. So here we have the ATS control panel. This is the UVR relay, main supply timer, genset control MCB. Okay, how we know the genset is stopped? You put a test pan here, there's no power supply. Okay, so genset is not in operation. Okay, so this is the main supply. Okay, we put a test pan here, there's power supply. Okay, what we are going to do here, we are going to trigger this UVR relay by switching off the control MCB here, then allow the signal to call the genset to start automatically, and then afterwards, we're going to normalize back and allow the genset to stop automatically. Okay, first step, off the genset MCB first. This is because when the genset is running, we don't want the power supply to come back here and give power supply to the control and change over because we don't want power interruption. We just want to test the genset remotely and allow the genset to stop remotely and automatically. Okay, first step off here, genset side. Second step, off the main supply side. As I off this one, this will operate. It will call the genset to start automatically. Okay. It will call the genset to start automatically. I can hear the sound. And now, I put a test pan here, genset is running. Okay. So now, we are going to normalize it because we are not going to test the genset running for 1 hour. We just want to test the genset running for 5 minutes. Okay. So now, as I normalize, don't switch on the genset MCB first. Switch on the main supply MCB first, because if you switch on this side, it will change over. Change over here, it will cause lift off and on back. So there will be power interruption. So you have to on here first. And allow this UVR relay to operate. And this one to stable. Okay, after here stable, main supply side, it will call the genset to stop after 5 minutes. Okay, then only you on here. Okay, after you on here, there will be power supply available here. Okay, but there's no change over. So from here, if you have a multimeter, you can check the frequency here. And then you can check single phase voltage and check the 415 voltage. If you check the voltage 415 and 240 is okay, that means the AVR is okay. Power supply reaches here and there's no tripping from the MCCB side at the AMF panel. And as you check the frequency here, 50 Hertz, that means the genset engine is operating in good condition. That means 1500 RPM. So no issue. And now what we do here, we just need to wait for the genset to stop automatically. After the genset stop automatically, everything will be back to normal. Then if possible, you want to go into the genset room to check everything okay or not, it's all up to you. Okay, faham? Alright.